Hey, this is a talk on how well planning is done, and hang on to the end where I'll share a little inside tip. The next step is to look at how you can optimize your well planning investments, and we'll build on what you learned from this video. So let's get started and learn about well planning. This is a breakdown where you have early planning, detailed planning, operations, and then handover, and then the well reporting. In this structure, we split into four core parts of well planning, and these four parts are data management, well reviews, Welder Science, and reporting. And the Welder Science are broken down into scenario evaluations, time, cost, risk, and then operations. Let's start at the top looking at data management. Data management is about quality assurance of historic and generated data. If you don't have quality data, no one will trust any part of the system. Engineers do this at every phase of the planning and operations phase, reading reports and looking at historical data. They also have a lot of meetings and one-to-one talks to cover data issues. Offset well reviews is the next swim lane. Offset well reviews is the data analysis done in all phases of planning and operations. In early planning, you are evaluating the bigger impact decisions, such as general design and technology selection. In the detailed planning and operations, the engineers document decisions with data. A lot of uncertainties and events are playing out during operations, and a good engineer always checks with the history, so you don't rely on your own personal experiences. Looking at Welder Science, the task is to combine experiences from the corporate data with forward-looking decisions and integrate tools so that data flows seamlessly in multiple scenarios. You can document time, cost, and risk based on the data and plan your operational steps. This is where the engineers iterate on different datasets and variables to verify and optimize. The most important datasets are pressure, geology, sections, operations, time, depth, cost, facilities, risk, technology, and procurement. That's quite a list. An iteration on the well plan is triggered by changes in any data. In the end, you have reporting, which is where the engineers spend most of their time, sharing the first place with the data management. They document internal decisions, compliance with regulators, file permits, provide partners with information. They get approvals for operation plans and interact with vendors who are providing services and data. This has been a fast overview of the well planning process and its core components in time. You have the early planning, the detailed planning, operations, and handover or end of well. And in all these phases, the task is to plan for safe execution. This process creates and uses enormous amounts of data, and data management and reporting are where the most time is spent. And well reviews and design iterations are the core activities that are adding value. Thanks for staying so long, and I promised a reward, and that is a secret to how this is done worldwide. And based on our experience working with engineers all over the world in small and large companies in well management and with operators, the workflows are almost identical. We'll take a break here, and then we'll continue in the next video looking at when in time you should invest in planning, where we'll build on what you just learned. Thanks for watching.